So welcome back to Great Day Washington. This week in Wellness, we talk about a condition that many families are struggling to manage in our region, type 2 diabetes.
Local experts want you to know that you can actually reverse type 2 diabetes with a special individualized approach.
I was winded, I was out of breath, I felt horrible. And every time I went into a room, I looked for the first chair to grab. And I've been doing that for years. I just felt awful, and I didn't understand what it was.
Jim Clifton didn't know he had type 2 diabetes. At Living Health Integrative Medicine, I met with Doctors Tom and Steph Chaney and their patient, Jim Clifton, to discuss how Jim has improved his health through an individualized approach to type 2 diabetes.
My sister was very ill, and she had diabetes, among other things. And I went to see her for the last time, and she made me promise her that I would do something about it because she knew her whole family had that sort of thing going on. And I promised her I would, and that's what I did.
After initially being diagnosed by his primary care physician, he learned about Living Health Integrative Medicine while researching the disease online. After a bit of hesitation, he decided to attend one of their free seminars.
And I was sitting there, and I heard Dr. Tom and Dr. Steph, and obviously they're very good, but I wasn't buying it. And I almost got up and left twice, but I finally decided I'll do it, and the rest is history.
A lot of the people that come to see us with type 2 diabetes that want to reverse it have uncontrolled sugars, hemoglobin A1C, 7, 8, 9, sometimes double digits. They may even be on multiple medications and still have uncontrolled numbers. And so what we do is we have to look at this person and say, okay, why are they diabetic? And we want to look at all the different reasons. And we do all kinds of different tests to try to figure out where are some of the things that are being missed in the conventional system with regards to really getting these sugars down. And then from there, we create a customized, individualized nutrition and supplement and lifestyle program. It's completely natural, and our goal is to actually help people reduce and eliminate their medications while reversing their diabetes and get their hemoglobin A1C and sugar down into a normal range.
The blood levels of 8.5 and 300 pounds, I had to do something. My levels now are 5.3, which is not diabetic. I'm 65 years old. I feel as good as I have in 40 years.
Well, one of the biggest questions that many patients come in with is they come in confused because they don't know what to eat. They've been told to change their diet, but they don't know, okay, well, what does that look like? How do I change my diet? What should I eat? One of the tests that we did with Jim, we did a food inflammation test so we could see how certain foods are affecting his body and then really customize and tailor the food plan for exactly what his body is telling us it needs. And, some of the surprising things that he was reacting to were things like eggs and cinnamon. I bring up cinnamon because a lot of patients, they go on the internet and they start reading about, well, what should I do to lower my blood sugar? And one of the common recommendations is cinnamon, but if Jim had done that, that's going to actually contribute to inflammation, which is going to then contribute to higher sugars in the long run.
I used to be a carbo hound, man. I just love carbohydrates and sugar, and I don't even think about it anymore. If I have a grape, it tastes like a Milky Way to me, and I'm dead serious.
There's a fallacy that type 2 diabetes cannot be reversed. Sometimes people are told they can't reverse it because it's hereditary or genetic, so they're just stuck with it. It's part of their genes. And that's completely false. There's no way that this is a genetic disorder. We want people to know that this disease can be reversed. It can be reversed naturally without drugs and medication, and we're doing it, and that's what our goal ultimately is.
For viewers that want to find out more about our program, they can go to www.diabetesreversalseminar.com, or they can call 888-514-4771 and sign up to come to one of our seminars where we just answer a lot of these questions that people have and just really get down to the bottom, and that's really the first step to reversing this disease. And we want to help 1 million people reverse this disease by 2020. That's our goal. So come to this seminar and learn more.